Kia ora koutou, nau mai, haere mai, ki ngā mana whenua o te rohi nei, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Ko taranaki te mauna, ko kaitohu o Artspace Aotearoa nei, ko Ruth Buchanan aho. So welcome everybody to this deep dive as part of intimation of endless space given in a small window of time, approximately 10 minutes, with new work by Ethan Braun and Lena Groban, and a kaupapa supported by Audio Foundation, Block Journal and Goethe Institute. I'm very pleased to be joined by composer-performers Antonia McIntosh, Ethan Braun and Samuel Holloway, who will discuss the score and perhaps other things as well, which is a really excellent way into considering our 2025 question, is language large enough? This deep dive lecture series is here to provide just that, a deeper dive into each of our exhibitions. These have always been rather one-person, straightforward monologue lectures, and this is our first deep dive in the form of a conversation, which really does reflect the inner nature of this exhibition, which was set up as an exchange between composer Ethan Braun and graphic designer Lena Groban, and is deeply engaged with mutuality. Over the months leading up to the show, Ethan, Lena, Samuel and Antonia developed an exchange around scores toward the publishing of How Does a Score Mean? A glossary that introduces many of the key concepts of the show and contexts from which the show emerges. This has been published on Block Journal and it's available also here in our gallery as well as on our online reading room. This exchange between Ethan, Samuel and Antonia was also an active way to forge connections between the contexts of Berlin, where Ethan and Lena work, and Tamaki, where Samuel and Antonia work. So it's really great to have this conversation take place here in our whare. Before I introduce the speakers and hand over to